Hello my friends on YouTube. On the occasion I will give you tips how to remove scratch in your car. It's very fast, very cheap, very cheap. In the last neck, I will tell you story that my car kissing with tree. Kissing with tree. That's result is very bad in here. You can see it. First you need a toothpaste is any brands and you can buy it in store near store. That's an ingredient material of toothpaste is abrasive, soft abrasive materials. Then you apply evenly on your stretched parts with your hands. I will spread very slowly, and you can see. Then you wait 30 seconds until a little harder. That's in materials. Then you take microfibers and you can wipe it. For these tips, you must have a strong energy. For a strong energy, that is very bad in here. That's after you wipe it all, you can see a result. That is toothpaste is very work or not to remove stretch on body your car. It's very exhausting with your manual on your hands. I'm suggest to you to using polishing machines. If you not have, you can buy it in your near store. It's very cheap, about 20 US dollar. Sorry, 20 US. You can see this result is very better from before. The stretch will remove and look like flights. And yes, it's a work it to remove stretch on your car. Next, I'm using a polishing compound to remove the stretch. The step is very simple. You can just apply it on stretch area. Then you can apply it on area stretch and spread and average with your hands. Very fast. And you whip it all. You can see but the result is very better from before. That's very nice and work it. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you for your watching my video. See you on the next step. Okay, sorry, I forget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.